Hi guys, and welcome back to SciArt Shop Channel. Okay guys, this next tutorial is all about how to make another fake topper. Now with this particular topper, if I bring it into shot, it's going to be this. Now I am going to put cream along the bottom, and I'm going to use this piece of wood that I've got over from something else, and basically go along and just try and put it on like so. And we'll see what sort of look we've got after we've done it. Now, I've never done it with this before, so it's all new for me as well, guys. But if you bear with me, we should get through it. Okay, so what have we got on there, you're saying? Well, we've got our fondant stars, which is really polymer clay, and I've used a cutter and to cut those out. So, and then I baked them to the manufacturer's instructions, so they're all ready. Now this is a loofah, or was part of a loofah, and I think it looks like spun sugar. So I'm going to use that on this side. Okay, can you see that? So it looks just like spun sugar to me. Okay, so let's get our cream. Now, if you've seen any of my other tutorials, you'll see that I actually tried a technique where I had my cream, fake cream, which is acrylic sealant, and I basically pushed the donut down, give it a turn around, and then I pulled it off to get a covering on there. Now, this is what's left over from that. So what I thought I would do is just use that as a knife, and it started to set already, and just give that spin round, and then I'm going to put that on there like so. So if you bear with me, we'll see if this actually works or not, because I don't want to waste any of this. And because I'm in quite a hot environment today, it's started to set already. So that might help us, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get a bit of blob there, and then I'm just going to put it on like you would. I'm not too sure exactly what design I'm going to go for. I'm just going to pretend this is cream that I'm just putting on with a knife. Okay, so I'm just going to use it all up, I think. That's the best thing. Okay, so it's all new, guys, for me, this particular technique, but I wanted to see what it was like to do it. Okay, and at the moment I'm loving it, because it really does look like, looks a bit like oh, what is it, royal icing. You know royal icing? It's just thicker fondant icing. Okay, so I'm going to use it all. I'm quite liking the look. Are you guys? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? I love it. Oh, gotta be careful though. Let me lift it up slightly and try and get in all those nooks and crannies. You know what I mean? What I'm saying? Give it a little twisty. Okay, look at that. Oh, this is looking absolutely amazing. I'm loving this little technique. It's funny what you come up with when you need to use up the little bits and pieces you got left over. Oh, it's a shame this isn't real, because I could really just eat this now. And like I said before, if you've got a lot of volume, you need to use a different technique to get, if you wanted loads and loads really high cream effect, you need to use a different technique, which I will be showing you guys shortly how to do. But this is just with silicone sealant straight from the gun, that I've shown you on other tutorials. Okay. And because I think this has gone off slightly, it's gone thicker anyway, so it's actually keeping its shape. So that's a little side tip there that I've learned as I've gone along. So I just want to cover everything. Doesn't that look good? Might do that again with another one and put some fake sprinkles on the top. I've got some fake sprinkles, so we could do that. Okay. See, I'm thinking on my feet all the time, guys. I start doing one tutorial and then I think, oh, that looks good. I can try and do this on another tutorial, because I'm here to please you guys. You know what I mean? What I'm saying? You do. That's great. Okay. I'm here to show you, because I get a kick out of making these things for you guys. It's just, oh my God, this looks amazing. Don't you want to just eat that? Okay. Have I got any left on there? I have a little bit. Might as well use it all up, hey? Don't want to waste any of it, do we, guys? Because, you know, it all costs money at the end of the day. We're not made of money, are we, guys? You know what I mean, what I'm saying? Okay, so let's just pop that to one side, if I can. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, I'm loving this one. It looks like loads of cream. Oh, it's making me hungry. It's making me very hungry. Okay, so we've got our fake spun sugar. Remember that, the loafer? So where should I put that? I think I'll pop that on there like so. So I'm going to push that down. Oops, what's that? There's an odd stray bit. Push that down like so. So that looks like spun sugar. And then just to finish it off, we're going to use our fondant. Or really, they're polymer clay flowers. So should I put 3 there or should I put 1 there? How should I do this? Because now's the time to make a decision. I think I'm going to go 1 there, pop it down, 1 there, pop it down, and 1 there. That's it. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look good enough to eat? See if I can pick it up again. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? Oh, wow. It looks like so much cream on the top there. God, if you had to eat that in real life, you'd know about it the next day. Do you know what I mean, what I'm saying? And I don't mean in the toilet department. I mean in the, you know, the fatness department. Do you know what I mean? Because there's lots of calories in there, guys. So it's best just to bake these fake ones, and then you can pretend you want to eat it, but you know you can't. So it's a good way of losing weight, guys. Little side tip there. Anyway, I'm going off on a tangent. So what do you think, guys? I'm really pleased with that. So like, share, and subscribe my little channelette, and let me know in the comments below what you think. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.